What is up, guys? If you want to see how I did this galaxy eye look, please keep on watching. It was inspired by my shirt, it just came to mind, and please leave a comment if you want to see anything else. I am going into my Morphe 35B palette in the row of blues, and I'm going to be using the dark purple, a little bit of it. But, so first things first is I'm going to be taking my dual brush and taking the top blue, just packing that on my eye. And then with the other side of the brush, I'm taking the light blue and just kind of blending it together. Now, going back in that same shade I just used at the top, I'm going to pack more. And just blend it. And then, going in with this, above the black, that color, and going along the lash line, just on my lid, just bringing that up a little bit. I'm just gonna go back and blend it together. And then I'm going to take the darkest purple right next to that color and do the exact same thing I just did, but not a lot. After I blended all of those colors together, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm just using a concealer brush and some concealer and just gonna swipe it like that and then look up so I know where my crease kinda is. And then that makes it a lot easier to fill in. Now going back with the purple and dark blue, I'm going to blend that together. And then that's basically it for the eyeshadow. So that was it for the eyeshadow, and now I'm just going to move on to the eyeliner, which I will be using the NYX Vivid Brights, the colors red and blue. And then I'm just going to create a wing that also goes down to my waterline. Going in with Vivid Brights in the color blue, and just gonna trace the above the red eyeliner till it almost hits the darkest blue area. Alright, so I'm going in with my NYX White Liquid Liner to outline my cut crease. With the same white eyeliner, I'm just going to put dots randomly all over my lid. Now with that eye all complete, I am not doing this thing on that side because then it'll just, I don't know, it just won't look nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes. and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I applied my lashes, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty by Rihanna and applying that on a beauty blender and just pouncing that onto my face. Alright, I'm going with Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I heard that this stuff dries fast, so I'm just gonna apply that to my T-zone. On this zit, just kinda everywhere, kinda on my forehead, and so I kind of have to act fast with the beauty blender and just blend that all out. What is up, guys? You can follow me on Instagram at Sierra Vanderleek or CCBMUA12, and if you like this video, please leave a like and maybe hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.